Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at the two different ways how you can switch between open apps on the iPhone 13 series running iOS 15. So the first way to do it is to open up your apps drawer. So from the bottom here, you swipe up kind of halfway and hold, and in here you can swipe across to open up the apps. So this is how you can switch between open apps. So here I can open up my mail app. And again, I can swipe up and hold, and then swipe across and open up, select a different app. So that is the first way how you can switch between open apps. Another way to do is at the bottom here, you can swipe across like this, and this will allow you to switch between the different open apps. Okay, so those are the two different methods how you can switch between open apps on the iPhone 13 running iOS 15. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.